I've missed you guys. I noticed that the popular trend nowadays is to rebuild wrecked supercars. Now, because I didn't want to miss out on all the fun, I went ahead and bought myself a wrecked supercar. Well, as not really a supercar. I mean, technically it's like a 30-year-old Nissan. But if YouTube has taught me anything, it's that any car is a supercar if you waste enough money on it. So what I did, I went ahead and bought myself a beautiful wrecked 1993 Nissan 240SX. Of course, being that it's a 240, the bitch didn't run right. So I fucking limped it home, driving on the fucking back road the whole time. Well, this fucking the rear end is just fucking doing this, and the fucking shocks are fucking, I don't know what the fuck they were doing. And the car is fucking trying to die. The whole time the car just kept trying to die, right? But I dealt with all those problems because it's a 240 and I got it home. Of course, the first thing you need to do when you get it home is fucking clean it. Because you don't know. This shit probably has every fucking disease. Okay? All of them. Coronavirus, fucking. Start the video. Start the fucking clip. Alright, so as you can see, this car came with a fuck ton of other parts and random shit, most of which is broken. I'll probably hang on to it anyways, just in case.
My name is Dr. Ferguson, clinical psychologist specializing in compulsive hoarding.
But it's pretty clean back here. I'm not mad. I'm gonna keep digging. We do have a little bit more stuff in the front seat to take out, including a conveniently placed bath towel in case I need to take a bath to get rid of the hepatitis after working on this car. Don't make fun of my dirty ass garage. I have not had time to clean it yet. I just kind of shoved everything over to one side and then I was like, all right, I'll deal with that later. And then yeah, I never dealt with that. So looks like a black ice air freshener. So that's how you know this guy smelled great. Smelled fucking phenomenal everywhere he went. Well, making this wonderful mess, I'm sure. Yeah, and then shit like this, like fucking hacked together. But I mean, overall, everything looks fine. It did come with, I think these are like S14 seats. Maybe wrong. Maybe they're something else. But I think they're S14 seats. Center console is a little messed up. We're gonna dig into that later. The dash is complete fucking trash, but honestly, they all are. Well, this is the other thing. The other fucking, I don't know what the fuck, if he was doing like the fucking boot scoot boogie in here at fucking stoplights, or why the fuck, I just don't know. But yeah, I mean, everything's pretty clean. Oh yeah, and all this is just weird wiring everywhere on this car. I have no idea what the fuck shit that doesn't need to be anywhere near here, and it's just all over. This door panel's pretty fucked. Oh, fuck, I closed the door. Did I lock it? Okay, good. Yeah, that's another thing. The lock on this side is actually broken, so you can't open it from the outside if it's locked over here. You have to open it over there and then jump over here and open it. So that kind of sucks. Anyways, that's the current situation. I'm going to keep on digging shit out of here and filling up my driveway with 30-year-old car parts. Alright, well, not sure how much of that you actually saw. This fucking piece is just broken. It's just fucking chilling here. So I'm gonna take this out of the way. Seatbelt is also fucking broken, just fucking dangling out, won't retract. Next order of business, let me grab all these fucking screws and throw them in a container of some sort. Ow. Okay. Now you can kind of see what I'm dealing with here. Huh. That's actually not in bad shape. Seems like it's all there. The clips are still intact, actually, not broken, which is fucking shocking. I'm about to break one if I try to pull it out, so I'm not gonna do that. But yeah, I mean, that looks pretty solid. It looks like right here there's one clip broken, but considering that the fucking age of these things. Okay, there we go. Sweet. Never know what you're gonna find, or like which fucking strain of tuberculosis you're gonna get. He had to have worked recently because he has this fucking aux cable in here. And why would you just carry that around if the radio doesn't fucking work? And this is the second one of these, so I have no idea what this is. If you know what this is, fucking let me know, because I don't want to throw them away. I knew it was something important, so I kept the first one, and this is now the second one. And I just feel like if I throw it away, the whole car is just gonna break.
Normal human beings don't live in trash.
So let me know if you know what it is. A penny saved is a penny earned. That's what I always say. So I'm gonna keep this bitch. And what the fuck is going on here? These motherfuckers just threw shit. They had no idea. Fucking threw everything. They put the shit on the wrong side of the other shit. This is supposed to go inside of that shit. And they put it outside that shit. You can fucking clearly tell. I mean, come on. Deduction. Powers of deduction. Next step. As I fucking drop this penny I just fucking found, and now I gotta fucking pick it up so I'm not fucking... God damn it. Okay. I got the penny. I dropped the penny, but now I have the penny. It looks pretty clean. Like, I know it's a fucking mess, but the bones, it's got good bones. What the fuck happens if I do this? Hey, that's not in bad shape right there. That's in pretty good shape. Alrighty then, that's in pretty good shape. I was thinking about getting rid of the back seat, but honestly, it's a daily, and probably gonna have a need for it. It's probably actually gonna come in handy with all these bitches I be towing around. Go ahead and keep it. Oh, that's what that fucking piece is. Look, I'll show you guys. Okay, so, see that fucking, hang on. You're still on the tripod. Let me get you off the, okay. See this fucking trim piece right here? There's another one. And I found it in the back, and I was like, what the fuck is this? Now I know what the fuck it is. So, yeah, I mean, honestly, this isn't bad. There's, like, I feel like all the worst areas are pretty upfront and in your face. Obviously, like, shitty things, like the fucking hole in the fucking driver's carpet, you know? Or the fact that it's a fucking auto. What kind of dipshit bought a fucking 240 and then was like, checking out the boxes and was like, oh, I want a fucking automatic, please give me that fucking auto, bro. I fucked up. Yeah. Oh, god damn it. All right, it's all fixed. It's all better now. Let me move this goddamn tripod right out of the way right there, so you can go ahead and see what we're looking at here. Yeah, I mean, everything's pretty clean in here, so, well, I mean, it's dirty as fuck, and it's kind of disgusting. I'll probably catch AIDS, but other than that, it's pretty nice. Sunroof doesn't leak, and that's like a genuine fucking surprise to me, because everyone I've ever seen has leaked, except this one and my other one that I owned, and I'm just, maybe I have really good sunroof luck or something, but it's not true, because the sunroof on the Audi is always fucking doing it's like haunted. It just does whatever the fuck it wants. It'll just open like in the middle of a car wash, and you're like, what the fuck, bro? I don't want to get drenched today. Also, My buttons are pretty nice, except that one. I don't know what the fuck that button does. I can't read it from here. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to continue cleaning out the interior, vacuum everything, shampoo what I can, just get it clean and like hygienic in here so I don't fucking die. And then well, I mean I'll die eventually, but like hopefully I die a little later. Hopefully I can put off the dying until later. This shit's going to be nice when I'm all done with it. I want to do something with this spare tire area because I want to have a flat floor back here if I can. It's so much more convenient to like carry shit, you know, and I really doubt that I'm going to end up using this spare tire area to actually carry a spare tire. If I do subs in here, I can probably hide an amp down here. But the goal for today is just to fix everything I can for free that someone just needed to like take a little bit of time with. Oh, look at that. Look at that. He gave me a free penny to hold the fucking door latch thing. Fucking wonderful. The main thing I want to do is get underneath the rear suspension and figure out what was making it like sway. Every time I would hit a bump, it's like the whole back of the car would just fucking walk sideways on its own. Like it wanted to fucking kill me. It was super sketchy driving at home because it genuinely felt unsafe. Like, I'm not a bitch. This shit just felt unsafe. It was fucking all over the road. Like, it felt like the back wheels weren't even bolted to anything. They were just fucking blah, 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 blah. So, yeah, anyways, I'm gonna get under there and figure out what the fuck's causing that. I'm assuming the struts are bad, so I've already got coilovers coming. I'm probably gonna need to do the subframe bushings because they're probably bad by now. Basically, no maintenance was done on this car as far as any of that goes. They did like oil changes, I hope, but I don't even know that for sure. So, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna get back to work. Check this shit out. There's like physical dirt in there, like actual dirt. Like they were hauling dirt in this shit. They were fucking doing land fucking renovation, yard work and shit. I don't know how the fuck you get that much dirt inside of a fucking sports car, but you know, you do you, man. You just do you. You know what? Let me unbox my first fucking part for this fucking car. Alright. This is probably gonna be like the most important mod that I do all day. This is a fucking piece of shit. God. Alright. Got it. 1, 2. Fucking instructions. Alright. Ooh, I got the perfect tool. Ah, fuck. Thought I had the perfect tool, but it's a little too small, so. God damn, man. This thing is really fucking stuck on there. God damn. Well, that one does not want to come off at all. I could just unscrew it and put a new fucking. Let me be fucking smart here. Let me just be fucking smart here. Because I was doing this. God damn it. There's that. Now let me tighten it. God fuck shit. Well, God damn it, I already broke it.